Evidence for a genetic basis of antisocial behavior stems from several different lines of research. First, behavioral genetic studies of twins and adoptees have demonstrated that heredity plays a role in antisocial behavior, including various forms of aggression and criminality. They have proven this by finding greater concordance for such behavior in genetically related individuals compared to non-relatives living in the same environment. Fundamentally, the world's energy system is unlikely to occur within this timeframe. It is thus imperative to find means to reduce the footprint of the existing system, most particularly of coal, which is the most greenhouse gas intensive of the fossil fuels driving climate change. It is in this context that carbon dioxide capture and sequestration becomes one of the most critical technologies in the menu of choices. Imagine that your boss has asked you to prepare an important presentation for the next board meeting. Time stresses are some of the most pervasive sources of pressure in the workplace, and they happen as a result of having too much to do in too little time. Great time management means being effective as well as efficient, and we must spend our time on things that are important and not just the ones that are urgent. To hold warming to this limit, the scientists said unequivocally that carbon pollution must fall to net zero in around 3 decades, a huge and immediate transformation for which governments have shown little inclination so far. There is no doubt that historians will look back at these findings as one of the defining moments in the course of human affairs. We urge all civilized nations to take responsibility for it by dramatically increasing our efforts to cut the emissions responsible for the crisis. A charge often leveled against organic agriculture is that it is more philosophy than science. There's some truth to this indictment, if that it is what it is, though why organic farmers should feel defensive about it is itself a mystery, a relic, perhaps, of our own fetishism of science as the only tool with which to approach nature. The philosophy of mimicking natural processes precedes the science of understanding them.